Hello FN channel. Today we'll teach you how to make a grilled cheese in a microwave. The most easiest, simplest, and fastest way possible. Simply, all you need is bread, butter, preferably soft serve butter,
Swiss cheese, and aluminum foil. Oh yeah, one last thing, a microwave.
To get started, you will simply need to butter your bread. We have already done this. Take some cheese, as much as you like. Got it the wrong way there. It's okay. Put it on, butter side up, and Trey will take it from here.
Alright, next step right here, we're gonna get a lot, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot of aluminum foil and wrap the fuck out of it. Oh shit. Alright now, okay. There, it's ready to cook.
And now, all you need to do is just put your grilled cheese in the microwave.
Make sure you set it to 40 minutes.
And here's the chef's tip. If you like a nice warm meal, make sure to put your cutlery in there with it. Oh, no, it's going. It's going. Now, if you'd like to save a little bit of time, you can use a shortcut.
The firecracker shortcut. Now for the extra crispy method, which is my favorite, you can use a mortar. You can use a mortar.
Bro, did y'all hear me? Should have had someone recording me get hit, bro. That's fucked up. There you go. Perfect grilled cheese.
Made in the microwave.
Way down south in the land of traders, rattlesnakes and alligators right away. Right away.